Next, question number 11. Equal volumes of the molar HCl and H2SO4 are neutralized by the dilute NaOH solution, and X kilocalories, Y kilocalories of heat are liberated respectively. Which of the following is true? So, here molar H, that means in one solution they have taken the HCl, in another solution they have taken the H2SO4. So, molarity of the HCl is given as 1, molarity of the H2SO4 is given as 2. Next, equal volumes. See here, volume is, let us say, V. Here let us say volume is equal to again V. Next, both are strong acids. Therefore, moles of the HCl or moles of the HCl is equal to moles of the H plus. Moles of HCl is equal to 1 into V, that is V. Therefore, moles of H plus is V. Similarly, moles of H2SO4. H2SO4 is 2V. Therefore, moles of H plus. Moles of the H plus is say the 1 mole of the H2SO4, 2 moles of the H plus science. Therefore, 2V into 2V. So forth. Wait. మళ్ళీ మొదటి నుంచి మిస్ రాంగ్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి రాంగ్ హెచ్టిఎస్ ఇక్కడ నుంచి మళ్ళీ రాస్తే ఇక్కడ నా మొలారిటీ ఇక్కడ molarity of the H2SO4 is 1, volume is V, therefore moles of H2SO4 2V, therefore moles of H plus 2V. Next, now in this first solution total moles of the H plus are V, in the H2SO4 total moles of the H plus are 2V. That means here total moles of the H plus ions are more, therefore more degree of neutralization takes place, hence more amount of the heat will be liberated here. Here less amount of the heat will be liberated here. Here the quantity of heat liberated from the HCl is given as X. Here the quantity of heat liberated from H2SO4 is given as Y. Next, this Y is more and X is less. So therefore relation between X and Y is this one. Next, the exact quantitative relation is, see, this is 2 times more than this one. That means this is 2 times more than this one, means here Y is equal to 2X or X is equal to Y by 2. Therefore, answer is B. Therefore, the quantitative relation is, the quantitative relation is 2x is equal to y, therefore x is equal to y by 2. Y by 2. Therefore, answer is B. Answer is B. Okay. Next, question number 16. The heat of combustion of the methane, graphite are respectively minus 20 kilocalories, minus 40 kilocalories. Wait, cut this. The question number 16. Okay. Question number 16. The heat of combustion of the methane, graphite and H2 are respectively minus 20 kilocalories, minus 40 kilocalories and minus 10 kilocalories. Therefore, the heat of formation of the methane. So, since they are asking the heat of formation of the methane, first construct the formation reaction for the methane. So, the formation reaction for methane is this is the formation reaction for the methane. Next, so since we want the enthalpy change for the formation of the methane, therefore, so observe the data given in the problem. In the problem, heat of combustion of the methane is given, heat of combustion of hydrogen is given, heat of combustion of the graphite is given. Whenever if the heat of combustions of the reactants and products are given, so the enthalpy change is heat of combustion of the reactants minus heat of combustion of the products. Here a reactant, one reactant is a graphite. So the heat of combustion of the graphite heat of combustion of the methane, graphite, hydrogen, methane 20, graphite 40. Minus 20 and minus. Heat of combustion of the graphite is minus 20. Next, heat of combustion of the hydrogen is minus 40, but here 2 moles of the hydrogen is participating. Next, heat of combustion of the methane is minus 20. Therefore, this is minus 20, this is minus 80. So, therefore, minus 100. Minus of minus plus 20. Therefore, answer is minus 80 kilocalories per mole. So, number 60. Okay. So, therefore, answer is option. Option. Therefore, answer is A. కాదు ఇందులో లిక్విడ్ బెంజ్ ఇది ఇది ఇందులో ఇది అన్ని ఈక్వల్ వాల్యూమ్స్ ఆఫ్ హెచ్సిఎల్ అది చూడండి ఇది కరెక్ట్ 16 ఉంది ఇది 16 ఉంది ఇట్లా ఉంది ఇది ఇది నేను చదివింది కరెక్టే కానీ అక్కడ సీరియల్ మారింది ఇది ఇది 6 ఇది మళ్ళీ 11 వచ్చింది ఇది 11 వచ్చింది 11 తర్వాత 16 వచ్చింది 16 ఉంది అట్లా లేదు అన్నీ అట్లా కరెక్ట్ అన్న అన్నీ కరెక్ట్ అన్న ఇది అక్కడ మధ్యలో ఒకటి మిస్ 16 తప్పు పడ్డదండి అక్కడ 12 ఉండాలి అది అదే పైకి వెళ్ళి ఇంకా పైకి వెళ్ళి ఇది ఇంకా పైన ఇది 12 ఉండాలా, పైన చూడు 16 ఉంది చూడు, అది మళ్ళీ చదవమంటారా మొత్తం? మళ్ళీ నంబర్ ఎట్లా చేంజ్ చేసుకుంటారా? చూసుకుంటారా? నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ చెప్పండి. ఒక్క నిమిషం ఎక్కడ how many are required for complete combustion? 39 grams. So ఈ పూర్తిగా క్వశ్చన్ రాంగ్ అసలు. ఒక్క నిమిషం 22. Just 4 times. Okay. Next. Next, question number 12. Liquid benzene burns in oxygen according to the given reaction. Therefore, how many liters of the oxygen is required for complete combustion of the 39 grams of the liquid benzene? So, I will represent the combustion reaction for the liquid benzene. C6H6. Next, 15O2. Here I will take 2 moles. Therefore 12 CO2. Next H2O, that means 6H2O. This is the balanced equation. Now if 39 grams of the liquid benzene participates, how many liters of the oxygen is required? See, according to the stoichiometry, 2 moles of the benzene requires 15 moles of the oxygen. So let us assume this reaction is taking place at the STP conditions. So therefore convert this 15 moles of the oxygen into the corresponding volume. Therefore for 2 moles of the liquid benzene, 2 moles means 2 into 78 grams of benzene, volume of oxygen required. volume of the oxygen required 15 into 22.4 liters. Next, for 39 grams of the benzene, volume of O2 required. So we will get the 84 liters. So for 2 moles of the benzene means 2 into 78 grams of the benzene, volume of the oxygen required is 15 into 22.4 liters. For 39 grams of the benzene, volume of the oxygen required is this is the calculation. Therefore total amount of the oxygen required is 84 liters. Therefore answer is D. Answer is D. Okay. Next, the relation between the enthalpy, question number 30. The relation between enthalpy change and internal energy change for the reaction PCl5 plus Cl2 gives PCl5 is. So I will represent the reaction PCl. I will represent the reaction PCl3 plus Cl2 gives PCl5. Here for this reaction we want the enthalpy, relation between enthalpy change and internal energy change. So the expression which shows the relation between enthalpy change and internal energy change is enthalpy change is equal to del U plus del N RT, where del N is the number of moles of the gaseous state products and reactants. Therefore, first calculate the total number of change in the total number of moles. Total change in the total number of moles means total moles of the gaseous state products minus total moles of the gaseous state reactants. Here products is 1, reactants is 2. Therefore, minus 1. Therefore, del H is equal to del U minus RT. Therefore, according to this expression, so del H is equal to del U minus RT. Therefore, del U must be greater than del H. Okay. So therefore answer is answer given in the problem is B. Answer is B. Okay. Stop చేస్తాను ఇంకేదో మళ్ళీ ఏదో ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఉందన్నారు నాకు 6 వరకు ఆపేస్తాను. ఎంత నాది ఎంత మొత్తం టోటల్ 1 అవర్ వచ్చిందా 2 అవర్స్ వచ్చింది మొదటి నుంచి ఆఫ్ చేసేస్తాను నెక్స్ట్ వీక్ తీసుకు